Okay, this is the chrome trim. It's really stainless steel. It's here now, and this is the existing condition. And you know me, Brent, I'm always trying to upsell you on cool stuff, and this is what we can turn it into. See how smooth and even the finish is now compared to that. This is going to cost some bucks to do, but we can get things like this out. This is really just kind of bad. There's other things going on, like there's a little bit of paint stuck on this molding, but again, compared to this one is really smooth, even, nice finish to it, very shiny, compared to this one over here, which is, again, got a lot of scratches in it, basically. Compared to this would be about $1,200 including materials. It's going to take them a couple days to do, and we're talking about just getting this ridge all the way down both sides of the car. There's a lot. There's two sides to it. Let me know what you think.